How was everybody's weekend? We got a few videos up this weekend on some KAC stereos, starting with the Kenwood DNX994S navigation double-in stereo. This thing has it all: built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Waze, capacitive touchscreen, dual USB, Bluetooth, HD radio, SD card slot, Sirius XM, you name a feature, this thing probably has it. It's an absolute beast, and it got replaced by the DNX995S, so price cut, check it out. And then we went over Pioneer's new version of their AppRadio, the MVH1400NX. This thing has a beautiful 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, no disc slot, Apple CarPlay, but no Android Auto, sorry, so you iPhone users, definitely check that out. We have a ton of content coming for you guys this week. We'll get up another video on subwoofer wiring, how to do one dual voice coil 2-ohm woofer to your amplifier. We'll compare two brand new Pioneer stereos, the AVH600EX and the AVH500EX. We also did an installation this week. We installed the Axis AX DSP. This is a digital signal processor. It will seriously improve your audio while keeping your factory or aftermarket stereo. It has a 31-band graphic equalizer, 6 pairs of 5-volt preamp outputs, retains sync and OnStar, chimes and volume control, and we'll go over everything it does in the video. This is an affordable and incredible way to improve your audio. Plus, we'll figure some other stuff out. And we had an interesting comment from Phil D12. Phil seems to be a fan of the QMV shirt we got going on in our videos. We're thinking about making a bunch and throwing them for sale. If anyone else is interested in getting one of these shirts or some sort of QMV shirt, let us know in the comments below and we'll get some going on sale for you. All right, BJ, your turn. Yeah, I'll take one of those shirts, James, so I can wipe my f***ing ass with it. How about we get some Boston Gym shirts up in here, huh? Say hello to your mother for me. All right, here we go. Got all of them won. Came to watch a vid about TV, and the first thing I get is a sex joke. Classy. Thumbs down. I'm so sorry we offended you. Got all of them. Grow up, all right, kid? What are you, 35 and you can't take a sex joke? Sounds like somebody needs to get some. Phil D12. My mother said, why haven't you called her yet? Sorry about that, Phil. There's just so many mothers to say hello to. Say hello to Tracy for me. Turmoil X, Boston Gym, your mom gay. That would be fantastic, honestly, so I don't have to slash any more of her boyfriend's tires. Everyone should pray that their mother becomes gay. Zergberger. This guy sold us like shit. Hey Zergberg, good luck getting your extraterrestrial burger joint up from the ground from your mother's basement. Say hello to her for me, alright? It's been a while. Adam TV, yo, I tried Dunkin' Donuts coffee for the first time ever, and that is straight fire. F***ing right, kid, I'm the f***ing mayor of Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, I gotta go take a As always, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. Join the conversation and leave some comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you this week.